Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily delete your Gardenscapes account. To delete your Gardenscapes account, first of all, open up your Gardenscapes application on your device. From the home screen, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner and open up the settings menu. Now, click on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen and you will see a delete account button in red. Tap on it and then go through the information first. If you want to request to delete your account's data, you will lose all of your purchases, games progress, and personal profile. The deletion process will take 15 days, and after that you won't be able to restore your account. But if you return to the game before that, the account deletion will be cancelled. If you want to confirm the account deletion, click on Delete Account and click on Delete Account once again. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete your account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.